Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my paper with the title Ergonomic Study in Quick Response Manufacturing (KRM) Automotive Workstation Environment to Overcome Employee Complaint. My name is Nelvianti. My team Dr. Nick, Dr. Rashid, Fazi, and Yusuf. I am from College of Engineering University, Malaysia, Pahang. This is my presentation outline, introduction, methodology, research and discussion, conclusion. The first introduction, from the customer demand about the product automotive, namely product a car, make the company to fulfill the customer demand. In fact, to fulfill the customer demand, make to operator, worker and worker and worker, and make operator complain to stress level and need too long time to finish the product or overtime. And then make her body is not good, the complaint MSD musculoskeletal. In fact, the other complaint MSD make to unit product is not fulfilled and quality is not good. So, significant of the research is the use of KRM method embedded with ergonomic methods in the assembly line of the automotive industry to determine the compliance of MSD followed by worker that have a long impact on working hours. KRM focus on time studies, while ergonomic studies are related to human. In this research, the object of research is the worker in the assembly section that involves the production process. KRM implemented with ergonomic studies, the relationship between human comfort and the impact of longer production time or compressed production time. This is my methodology from the start. After the start, literature review on ergonomic and quick response manufacturing KRM, the next process study the work process at assembly production line, and then next process identify of musculoskeletal disorder and data collection during the assembly line, and next process data validation of consistency. If consistency ratio 10%, so next process if a big for 10%, no, and back to identify of musculoskeletal disorder and data collection during the assembly line. If yes, next process KRM ergonomic repair improvement and process. This is my research and discussion from the study the work process at assembly production line. The image so are some of the process that occur on the assembly line, and it can also be seen that worker use posture by bending, scratching, bending. Next, using arm and wrists are not ergonomic. Image on the right of the assembly process in Indonesia and live in Malaysia. We can see the picture. The process assembly from automotive product a car. Identify of musculoskeletal disorder and data collection at during the assembly line. Identification of musculoskeletal or MSD complaint that worker feel through the result of observation. Interview and questionnaire Nordic body map NBM by worker. The NBM questionnaire to be filled by the worker has a choice of not sick, slightly sick, sick, and very sick. Next table is the percentage of worker complaint in the assembly line. The number of respondents used in this study is 51 worker. The high percent was complaint of a little pain with 26.76% point and pain complaint with 29.69% point with MSD complaint that were fell on the shoulder, arm, back, waist, buttock, wrist, and hand. This is the next process, KRM and ergonomic improvement from the result analysis. The solution provided can be in the form of improvement of work procedure, performed by employees by considering the ergonomic aspects so that complaint of MSD musculoskeletal can be minimized. In addition to change in the work, procedure improvement can be done with the design of ergonomic aid for worker. As for the aid that can be provided in the form of a lift car that can be adjusted up and down so as to suit the working posture condition. Picture in addition to car lifter design in the process of assembly of car product. The solution given is expected to reduce overtime in the process. My conclusion in my research study conducted with ergonomic methods show that worker MSD musculoskeletal complaint during work are in the category of not sick of 27.94%, slightly sick of 26.76%, and sick of 29.69%, and very sick of 5.6%. The biggest complaints are in the slightly sick and sick category. The most dominant body posture complaints are shoulder, arm, back, waist, buttock, wrist, and hand. This complaint is at a moderate level, meaning that corrective action is needed to minimize MSD complaint to assembly line worker as soon as possible to reduce overtime in completing work using the KRM principle. Corrective actions should be based on work factor, workload, the layout of facility, and equipment used for the smooth running of the work process without causing MSD complaint to employee. The improvement made can be in the form of refinement of work procedure and design of aids such as automatic lift car that can adjust worker head to work in comfortable condition without having to bend and squat. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.